Hey all, what's up? This is Reuben Lama, your IDALS instructor, and today we'll be learning this advanced choreography on Tum Tak, which is on Jammin version. The entire choreography is based on one emotion, that is love. Yes, so it's all about spreading love. Also, the choreography is divided into 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3. Yes, followed by the showcase. And let's not waste our time and get started. Hey guys, let's start with section 1. Before we start with the first section, I'd just like to tell you that this song, the only intention behind choreographing this song was all about love. Yes, so I just want you all to feel that emotion, yeah, while you're learning this choreography and also while you're executing it. Yes, so let's start. So first step, it goes 5, 6, it starts from 1, 2, yeah, so you count 5, 6, 7, 8, starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and. Yes, I'll keep telling you all the intentions behind all these steps while we proceed with the choreography. Yeah, for now, let's just quickly start the choreography. I can't wait. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go here, your right leg, you tap and then your right hand starts from here, okay? So you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the song starts with the word saying oh, yeah. So you make the biggest show of your life, yeah. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, with your left hand, you tap on your right hand's wrist here, then elbow, yeah. So you tap. Now magic switch, okay. Tap after you press the switch here, your right hand makes another whoa, okay, and then this is the switch you cannot leave, sorry, my bad. So you go here, tap, you make the O, yes, and again another one, yeah, one more time, 6, 7, 8, tap to make the O, another one. So the third one you don't complete it, okay. See, this one you completed, this one you did finish. Now the third one you stay here. Yes, now with every O there's an accent which goes up, okay, yeah. So you go tap to go tap. Whenever your right hand is coming from inside, yes, it's hitting the center part of your body, you go up on your releve, up. Yes, let's do it again from the top. 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and, okay. Yes, from here let's proceed. Simple enough, yeah. From here we go, your hand is still there, okay. From here, now since you leave your hand, the O thing stops, and then just to quit it, we just step on it, yeah. So you go 6. This is not very particularly this finger, you can keep it loose, your fingers. From here you jump, yeah, very small one. You jump to move your body right, yeah, to move your knee right, then your body gradually with your neck coming to your right, okay, makes sense? One more time, 6, 7, 8, you go ha, E and yes, yeah, one more time, 6, 7, 8, ha, E and yes. Now from here you kick with your left leg, kick to go dipping out, okay. So for dipping, if you all don't know, then this is dipping, yeah. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is dipping, okay. So we just slightly change it, the style of dipping. So you go jump to move your body gradually right. From here you kick to go dipping out. Yes, and your hands, upper body, you go here. There's no upper body here. You were here. After making the O, you jump and then you turn. Your upper body gradually comes here, giving you a sense of satisfaction. From here you kick, yeah, and then you just be like sab sahi hai. Yeah, you just kick and then you say sab sahi hai. Why did I say it sab sahi hai? Because that is the feeling. Yeah, that's the feeling of the step, behind the step. Yeah, you cannot be like step. It's not a step, it's a feeling, okay. So you go ka and then you go sab sahi hai, boss. Yeah, okay, can we take it from the top once and then move on? 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and from here. Jump to go right. Sab sahi hai. Yes, clear? Yeah, from here we'll take a wave. Yeah, with balancing our body, we'll take a wave from the left, with the help of your right hand, you trace, and with the help of your left hand, you take a wave, okay? You're sure? You take the wave out, then again, you take the wave back in, because there's no way the wave can go out, yeah? So you take back in, it has to be connecting, yeah? So you take back in, then it finds a way to your right knee, okay? Yes, one more time. From here we went moving to the right, we did sab sahi hai with the dipping. From here you take the wave to go out, didn't find a way, so it comes back in, found a way to your right knee. Okay, yes, but this thing happens really fast, so you go from here you go 6, 7, 8, 1 hyena, 2 hyena. Yes, one more time, 6, 7, 8, 1 hyena, 2 hyena. We take it one last time, let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 hyena, 2 hyena. Yeah, now from here, the lyrics is something like Baate Bachkani. Yes, so you go 6, 7, 8. Remember guys, it's all about, yeah, yes, it's all about love, okay? So you can dedicate this to your mom, dad, whoever you want, yeah? Girlfriend, boyfriends too, yeah? So you go 6, from here. Take the wave back in here, and from here you go Baate. Okay, now he stretches the word Baate a lot. He's not like Baate Bachkani. He's like Baate. Yeah, that A part also we got to catch. So you go here, wave, go back down, so you go 6 Ba. Yeah, so you go Baate. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I covered my mouth. So you here, Ba. From here you go Baate. I really like to play with the words, yeah, the notch, the high notch, the low notch, the pitches, yeah, I like to play with that a lot. So if the O's are like, you know, if the singer is singing, the vocalist is singing like, and he really stretches the word like say, Reuben, yeah, the be, I would like to play on top, something on the upper body. And I would like to, if it's going Reuben, like that, then I'll play it lower body and soft. That's how I choreograph, yeah, okay? So everybody has your own approach. You can go on high on lows as well. Yeah, but I just would like to prefer y'all, if there's a high notch, then try to keep it high and loud. If there's a low notch, try to keep it soft. Yeah, very basic knowledge. You go 6, 7, 8. From here, you take the wave out. Back in till you go ba, te. Now from here, you take out your right leg, okay? From here.